Right, good morning and welcome to Vlogmas day 21. I was really feeling under the weather yesterday, so I didn't get a lot done. Not feeling 100% today, but a little bit better. But I'm up to schedule with the blanket, so I think I showed you last night on yesterday's one that I'd done it. So now I think we've got this little decorative bit here that we're going to get the yarn for. So it shouldn't be a major task to do today, it's just this little bit here. So yeah, so we'll open up the calendar and see what colour we're going to get. So I'll just turn you round. Right, so day 21, oh that's right near the top. And it's a silver grey and it's called Earl Grey. Oh, and you've got a little sheep ornament for the Christmas tree. It says, "Wish you a Merry Christmas." Oh, that's cute. So yes, let's put that back in there. So this will be going here, and it should be doing this bit here. So yes, so I'll get on with that, and I'll hopefully come back. Yeah, I'll get on with that and I'll hopefully come back this evening with it all done. If you watch yesterday's video, you'll see that major fail on the snow globes. Well, I persevered, and what I did was I threw away that plastic snow. That was absolutely useless. And I did a lot of Googling and Hobbycraft, checking Hobbycraft and everything, and they said to use glitter. So that's what I've used. So I've done them now. So I'll show you the two little ones that I've done for my grandsons. So that's them there. So yeah, so I'm pleased with those. The only thing is that you can see a bit of a water line here. So I'm not sure if I'm going to stick something up there. On there, I don't know, but I am thinking I might decorate round here with some string or something. So, and these are the two for the two granddaughters who are 2.5. So there. So I'm pleased with those. And then the bigger ones, which were for my 4-year-old grandkids, Ben and Sienna. I'm pleased with those. So yeah, so they turned out all right in the end. I did have to use oh, looks like he's come away again. Yeah, the parcel keeps on coming undone in there, so he's floating about, so I'll have to undo him and stick him down again. I did use the glue gun, but it might not have set enough before I put it in. But yes, the rest of them I all used super glue and they went down lovely. So yeah, so really pleased with those. That turned out well, so I'm glad that's done. It's another little gift for them. Yeah, so I don't know if I'll get anything else done. Like I say, I'm not feeling 100%, but I will finish the crochet blanket. So I'll see you later about 6 o'clock to show you the finished blanket. Right, it's 7:30 and I'm back, and I've done the, well, I think it was just 3 rows we had to do on the Crochet Society blanket, as you can see, and that is the same as this one here. So it's coming on, not long now. I think that's sort of about 3 more days, and then just the edge. So hopefully finished in time for Christmas, so pleased with that. So you saw that I did the did the globes, so that's gone well. And what I've done with, because you can at the top of it here you can see where the water ends, I've found a little Merry Christmas. I don't know if you can see that, and I've stuck that on there. So and that's got Merry Christmas on it. But yes, I'm pleased with those. So they're really cute. And I think that's it really. And so my daughter, who doesn't live with us, she's now got COVID, so she's caught it off of her husband. We saw her Saturday, so we're taking tests regular, but we're still negative, even though I've got a rotten cold. But I did have the cold start before I saw her, so I'm hoping it's just a normal cold. So but yes, there seems to be a lot of it about at the moment. Yeah, so I will now call and end this video, and I'll see you tomorrow morning for the next instalment of the Crochet Society blanket. So see you tomorrow. Bye.